Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to see send follow requests on Instagram. Reviewing your send friend requests allows you to keep tabs on pending connections, ensuring you don't miss out any potential friendships. The friend request tab on Facebook makes it simple to track all sent friend requests. To check your send requests on Instagram, download your account data. Unlike Facebook, Instagram does not offer the option to view your sent follow requests within the tab. To do so, you must first download your Instagram account data and review it on a computer. First, open the Instagram app and switch to the Profile tab. Tap the menu icon or three horizontal lines at the top right corner and select your activity. Scroll to the end and tap on Download Your Information. Then, tap on Request a Download. Tap Select Types of Informations. Scroll down and tap on Followers and Following. Then, tap Next. Now, tap the Submit Request button to confirm. After completing this page, you will receive an email confirming that your request is being processed. Instagram will notify you via email once your account report is ready. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.